Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little different. Normally I would have a cleaning video for you guys, but my schedule has been a little messed up this month, so bear with me. If you missed it, I did a cleaning your house when you have pets. It's a great video, so I really would hate for you to miss it. So I will have it linked in the description box, but it's all about how to keep that dog smell out of your house and just how to keep your house healthy and smelling fresh when you own pets. So make sure that you check that out if you need some cleaning motivation. I have tons of it on my channel. I will link the cleaning playlist down below as well. If you're new to my channel, I do a cleaning video every Wednesday, but like I said, this month things have been just a little bit out of order, but that's okay because I'm doing a fun video for you guys today. I think you will like it, and I have here all of my favorite cleaning products. These are my tried and true, will continue to repurchase, love them. I've tried them, I've used them for years, so I'm going to share all of those with you right now. Okay, so I'm going to start with laundry stuff because I have some exciting new stuff in that department. So let's show you here. So, okay, here's the laundry detergent, right? Okay, this is the laundry detergent. It's in the Love Home and Planet brand. It's a newer brand. They came out with like hair care and body care like a year or two ago, and I've loved it. They claim to be plant-based, dermatologically tested, and vegan. And they're not supposed to have a bunch of the bad stuff they list on the back. So they're supposed to be like a healthier, non-toxic option. So anyways, they came out with the laundry line, and this is in the rose petal and murmuru, dreaming up roses. I can't talk, y'all know that, but it does smell like roses. If you don't like the smell of rose, you'll hate this, but it smells amazing. They have the laundry detergent to go with it. Smells just as good. I think it cleans really well. I love it. The only thing I don't like is the bottles are so little, so I don't know if they're just starting out with like smaller bottles to kind of see how it goes, or if maybe I'm just not finding the larger bottles. The only place I've been able to find this is on Walmart.com, so I'll try to find it for you guys and link it, but I love it. It smells so good on your clothes, and the scent lasts. It's great for like washing your bed sheets. Oh, it just smells so good, and I know they have some home care products as well, some cleaning products. I've yet to get my hands on those, but I plan to. Okay. So those were the newer laundry cleaning products that I like, but my tried and true all-time fave is my Gain Original with the Aroma Boost. I love it. It smells so good, and I normally pair it with the Gain Original Scent Boosters, but I'm out because I use them all because I love them. But another favorite is the Downy Unstopables and the Tide Original scent, so I really do like this scent as well. This one just smells really fresh and clean like laundry. I can't really describe it, but I do really like this. As you can see, I only have like this much left, but my tried and true is the Gain Original Scent Boosters, but this is good too. And then I also am out of my Suavitel. Is that how you say it? Yeah. My Suavitel in the big blue with the white cap, you know. You've probably seen me use it in my cleaning videos a lot, but I'm out of it because I use it. I love it. So a lot of you guys have been telling me to pick up this Suavitel Complete. It's supposed to be color protection, fewer wrinkles, advanced softening, irresistible freshness. And it's the Field Flower, so it's the same scent. Let me see if I feel like it's the same scent. I do feel like it smells the same, so I've been using it and I like it. The only thing I don't like about it is the bottle's so small. If you've seen the original, they're huge, but I like the yellow one too. But the Suavitel, the blue one, it's awesome. It's my favorite. So this, the blue Suavitel, and then the original Gain Beads are my holy grail laundry combo. Okay, so next I think I'm going to do like my favorite disinfecting cleaning products. So that's going to be, my first and foremost is the Clorox Cleanup Cleaner Plus Bleach. This one, I think it's in the lemon scent, if it will focus. Is it lemon? Yeah. It doesn't really smell like lemon to me. It just smells really clean. I know bleach is bleach, and it does smell like bleach, but it smells really good. And it's not really overbearing, so I do use bleach, and I usually use it mainly just in the bathroom, but the cleanup, Clorox Cleaner plus bleach in the lemon scent is my all-time favorite. I think I have 2 bottles of this. I keep it in different rooms, and I have continued to repurchase. Okay, the second one that is my favorite is the Comet Bathroom Cleaner in the lavender scent. It says it kills 99.9% of germs. I hate the original one, the one with the green. It's so fumey and it like burns my nose and I can't even handle it. But this one does not do that. And it smells amazing. I love it for cleaning the bathtub and the showers. This one, there's barely anything in it at all. You can see I use it. I have a brand new bottle in there, but I love this one. You can get it at the Dollar Tree, and I always get mine at Walmart. I think this is the last disinfecting product I have, and it's the Pine Sol Original. It claims to kill 99.9% of germs. Now, something I've learned more recently is that that's when it's used basically like at full strength, which if you use Pine Sol, you know we dilute it with water. So I don't really know like if that claim is true, because I'm not really sure how I would use this full strength, but I do still love it. I think it's a great cleaner. It smells really good, and it's great for cleaning a lot of different things, but it makes your home smell really, really fresh and clean. There's a bunch of different Pine Sol scents. I like the lavender one too, but just the original is something that I will always have in my cleaning closet. So along the lines of Pine Sol is Fabuloso. So you may or may not have heard of this brand. The lavender scent I think is the most popular. It smells okay. I mean, it smells good, but it's like not my favorite scent in the world. But they came out with this new refreshing lemon, thanks to Missy from The Welder's Wife. She found it and told me to get it, and I went on an adventure trying to find it. And I did, and it smells so good. It smells like a lemon drop, like the candy lemon drops or the Sour Head lemons. I love it. Now, it does not kill germs. I don't think the scent lasts that long, which is such a letdown because I really wanted this to be like my Pine Sol, where I could mop the house and my house would smell like this all day, and it doesn't do that. It claims it does. For me, it does not do that. But I still love this. I would still repurchase it. I still think it's great to put a little in your toilet when you're cleaning out your toilet and leave it in there to set. It smells really nice to wipe down the counters or even to still mop with. But I do wish that the scent lasted longer like it says, but it smells so good. And I got it at the Dollar General, but you can get the smaller bottles at the Dollar Tree. So for a whole $1, you can't beat that. You could try it. It says you can use it like on the kitchen appliances, the toilets, for mopping and wiping down. It's basically multi-surface, so you could use it for a lot of different things. That does smell really, really good. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is just random. It's more dusting. Don't I have 2 things? Yes, I have 2 things that I use for dusting, and the first one is the In-Dust stuff. It's like Pledge, but it's not. It's not Pledge. It is not Pledge. It smells so good. I love the way this stuff smells, but I love the way that this stuff performs. It removes dust. It leaves your furniture really shiny, but it doesn't leave that film like Pledge does. Not to knock on Pledge, but I just love my In-Dust so much. They sponsored me like 2 years ago, I think, and that was the first time I discovered their product, and now I'm obsessed. So I think they have one in a green apple scent as well. I've never tried it, but the lemon zest smells like lemon cake, I feel. And I've used it in a lot of my videos. You guys can see it at work. You can see how beautiful it makes. I have this really dark wood furniture in my bedroom, and it just makes it shine so pretty, and it repels the dust, and it doesn't leave where, like, if I touch it after, there are fingerprints. So if you've never tried In-Dust, try it and thank me later. The next dusting product is the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. As you can see, I love this. This is probably like my 10th bottle. We use this every day on the kitchen table. I use it to wipe down like my coffee tables and end tables and things like that. And it's just a daily like dusting spray for wood, but it's not going to be like a polishing thing. It doesn't leave a residue or anything like that. It's just a cleaner. It smells like almond. It smells really good. It's supposedly non-toxic, I think. Yep, non-toxic, plant-based. You can find it at Target, but You can find it at a lot of different places. But anyways, yes, Method Wood for Good, the Daily Clean, not the polish. They do have a polish too, but that one is my favorite. Okay, so kind of like dusting, but not, I guess, is glass. And this is the glass cleaner from Jaws. I love all of the Jaws cleaners. They are an eco-friendly cleaning system. So as you can see this little pod in here. I don't know if you can. There's a pod in here, and that's where all your cleaning solution is. So when you buy it, they send you the bottle, and it's empty, and the pod. And when you put the pod, well, you fill the bottle up with water, and then you put the pod in, and you twist the cap, and then shake it up, and there you go. So the idea behind it is that when you need more, you just get the little pod, so it's saving the planet because all this plastic, yada, yada, yada. But I love their products because they are so multi-purpose. Like you hear all of these cleaners, they say they're multi-purpose, but theirs really are multi-purpose. So I use them in the kitchen and in the bathroom. This one's safe on granite, stainless steel, HD TV and smartphone screens. It's just a basic glass cleaner, but I'm picky with glass cleaners. This one does not leave streaks. You can use it on more than just glass. It is eco-friendly, like I said. What else? It's alcohol and ammonia free, non-toxic, biodegradable, plant-derived. So it's just good for the planet, it's good for your home, and it's tried and true because I use it and I like it. I like all of their stuff. Their kitchen cleaner, their bathroom cleaner. If I grab, like, say, their shower cleaner and I go to the bathroom, I can clean my whole bathroom with it, aside from my toilet because I do want to disinfect that. But, like, I can clean the mirrors and the countertops and the bathtub, and it's not going to leave streaks. I don't have to worry about it leaving streaks on my granite or on, like, my glass top stove. I just love it so much. So I'll have it linked for you guys below. But yeah, I like their glass cleaners. Probably my most favorite that I've ever tried. So moving into kitchen, this is the kitchen cleaner from Jaws. It's the disinfecting one. It's the lemon scent. Their products don't have a really strong smell, but I mean, they are non-toxic. They're more about being healthy than they are about smelling good. So I'm okay with that, but it is a disinfectant, and this one is, it says it's for the kitchen, doesn't it? No, it just says disinfectant cleaner. So not necessarily for the kitchen, but I use this in the kitchen because I use it on my granite. I like to use the disinfecting part, like after I've had, like, raw meat or something like that, where I've cooked a meal and there's been a lot of food. So I'll spray it on the counters, let it sit and do its thing, and then wipe it off. And I love it because I can also wipe down the fridge, I can wipe down the dishwasher, the microwave, everything, and it's not going to leave streaks. So then I have my little, lemon plinks and my little birdie here. I got this little birdie at Walmart a couple of years ago. I don't think they still have them, but inside I have these little plinks, and I'll show you one up close. So that's what it looks like. It's just a little ball. It's lemon scented and it smells amazing. If you have a garbage disposal, you need these in your life. So I run hot water in it, turn it on, plink one of these in, and whoof, out comes this pleasant citrus smell. It smells so amazing. So I use one of these every day, and then once a week I will use one of these Glisten foaming cleaners. So these are awesome because they actually clean out and deodorize your garbage disposal. So it says it cleans with bleach alternative, it scrubs, and it freshens. So I'll show you what the packet looks like. This is what the packet looks like. You're not supposed to open it. You just run water and stick it down in your disposal and turn it on, and it foams up, and it does smell nice. It's not really strong or anything, but it keeps my garbage disposal smelling really, really good because, let's just face it, those things can get rotten really fast. So once a week with these, once a day with these, and my garbage disposal doesn't smell. So those are must-haves. I get these at Publix, but I think you can get them at Walmart. I know you can get them on Amazon. I think they're actually in my Amazon store. So they're by Glisten though. So I'll hold that up if you want to screenshot it, because these things, you have to go try them. Okay, so let's see. I have 3 more things here. This one's not really kitchen, but I'm just going to show you. So it's soft scrub. They have a few different varieties. I use the one that has bleach in it as well. But the reason I chose to show you this one is because it has the oxy in it right here. It smells like laundry detergent, which Who doesn't love the smell of laundry? Ugh, it smells so good. So let's see. It doesn't claim to disinfect, but I love to use this to clean out the kitchen sink, or I like to use it in the toilet if the toilet needs a little bit. I always have a hair in my mouth when I'm filming it. Always. It never fails. If the toilet just needs a little extra something, I like to put this in there, and it just smells really good. So the soft scrub with Oxy is my favorite. If you're ever in the store and you find it, smell it, you'll want to buy it. Okay, so the last three are by the brand Caldrea. You can find these at Grove Collaborative, and this is what they look like. And this is the countertop spray. This is in the scent Sea Salt and Neroli. I love this scent. It is my favorite. It smells like fresh showered man. That's the only way I know how to describe it. It smells like a freshly showered man, but not like cologne. It's kind of musky. It smells really good, and it does a good job cleaning too. I just love it. So I use this in the kitchen, and then it'd be great for the bathroom as well. Also, it's really cute, so if you wanted to like set it on your countertop in there. I also use their dish soap. This is the same scent. Focus on the bottle, not me. This is the same scent, but they have a bunch of different scents. The Tangelo Palm Frond I love, the Sweet Pea, the Pear Agave, Rosewater and Driftwood. They're all good. They all smell good, okay? And then they have the Linen and Room Spray. You've probably seen me use this a lot. And, okay, so what's so special about this brand, right? Well, it is a little bit expensive. You can only find it on Grove as far as I am aware. What I know about it is it used to be only sold in boutiques, and Grove kind of took them over. But it's made with essential oils. It's supposed to be like more healthy. My camera cut off. It's made with essential oils. It's supposed to be more healthy for you. It's not tested on animals. The plastic is recyclable. I don't know. I think that their main thing is that it's made with essential oils. So if you're into that thing, even if you're not into that thing, try these products. They're so good. If you get just one, get the linen spray. It's my favorite. It lasts all day. It lasts multiple days. I've completely replaced my Febreze, you know, like the Febreze and all the Febreze commercials. No, I don't buy that at all. I just buy these linen sprays, and they last forever. So, I mean, I think it is, I want to say it's like $10 for a bottle of this, but it's going to last you for months and months and months. So, in my opinion, it's worth the investment. So, I have that linked for you always in the description box, my Grove link, so you can check that out. Okay, so that was it as far as my cleaning products. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Maybe this will inspire you to go to the store and get some new cleaning products. That always makes me want to clean. I know you guys ask a lot, like, what makes you motivated to clean? Well, new cleaning products definitely help. So if you've not tried any of these, find some, go to the store, find some, and maybe that will motivate you to clean. I also have that cleaning playlist listed for you down below for you to click on and check out my other videos, and I will be back next week with a cleaning video for you guys. And yeah, thanks for sticking around if you have been with me for a while, and if you are new, please hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to say hi in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!